Hi, hello, welcome to Eagle Education. Today we are going to discuss a few points about Indian Constitution, especially 5th unit. 5th unit is about Election Commission of India, National Human Rights Commission and National Commission for Women. So first we are going to discuss a few points about Election Commission of India. So especially Election Commission of India is a constitutional body. As we have discussed a few points about the constitutional body and statutory body, there is a slight difference between these two. Constitutional body means which is having a specific article in the Indian Constitution, will call it as constitutional body. A body which is created for the public welfare and the government interest, it is called as a statutory body. So according to Article 324 of Indian Constitution, we are having a election commission in India with the existence of Article 324. It is under the President of India because the constitutional head for the country is none other than President of India. So the main motto of the election commission is to conduct the elections for the parliamentary means MPs and for the state legislature means MLAs and also vice president of India and also president of India. These four are the main functions of the election commission. The main conduction of these four elections will be under the National Election Commissioner, means it will be held only all over the India. There is one election commission, and coming to states, there is one more election commission for every state, that is State Election Commissioner. But the State Election Commission only deals with the elections of panchayatis and municipalities. So Election Commission head is Chief Election Commissioner, CEO of India. So he is appointed by President of India. And coming to the rest bodies, that is State Election Commissions appointed by President of India and also having the importance and rule for the governor also. In this we can observe that the Election Commission main motto is to conduct elections for only Parliament, Legislative Assembly and also President of India and Vice President of India elections. Only these four elections are important for the Election Commission of India. The present Election Commissioner for India is Sunil Arora. Sunil Arora is the Chief Election Commissioner of India. And coming to the functions of Election Commission, so we are having a lot of functions in this Election Commission, and registration of political parties comes under National Election Commission, and also assigning the symbols for the political parties is also comes under Election Commission, and registration of new voters. So if you are eligible for the voting, if you got the age of 18, you want to register as a voter, then you will become a citizen of India. So because of this, the registration of new voters will also comes under Election Commission of India, and conduction of elections, giving the schedules for the election dates and also revising the election procedure and also polling procedure and also giving the voter slips to the voters and also maintaining the advertisements regarding voter awareness in TVs and radios. All this comes under Election Commission functions. So this is about Election Commission. And coming to the second topic, that is National Human Rights Commission. National Human Rights Commission is a statutory body. In this because why this is called as a statutory body means, as we have discussed in the past, that is the difference between the constitutional body and statutory body. In 1993, Parliament has enacted a legislature. Through that bill, this National Human Rights Commission is established. Because of that reason, it is a statutory body. The main motto of this National Human Rights Commission is to protect the fundamental rights, which we have discussed in the third unit. Protection is the main motto of this National Human Rights Commission. And composition of Human Rights Commission, it's a multi-member body, consists of one chairman and 4 board members and also 4 ex officio members. The chairman must be a retired Supreme Court Chief Justice of India. Again, I am repeating again that the chairman must be a retired retired Supreme Court Chief Justice, and other 2 members must be retired or serving judges of Supreme Court, and other 2 are directly taken from the public who are having abundant knowledge on the fundamental rights and who are working for the welfare of human rights. They will be taken directly from the public, and the rest 4 are the ex officio members. Ex officio members means they are the invitees for the any meeting which is held in the National Human Rights Commission. The ex officio 4 members are Chairman of National Commission for Minorities, and Chairman for National Commission for SCs, and Chairman for National Commission for STs, and Chairman for National Commission for Women. These 4 members are the ex officio members and invitees for the programs held in this human rights. The main motto is nothing but the protection of fundamental rights, which is established in 1993. This is about the Human Rights Commission. And coming to the third topic, that is National Commission for Women. There is a powerful lady in India, her name is Jayanti Patnaik. She fighted a lot for the welfare of women from 1980s. So behalf of her fighting, in 1990, Government of India has given one important provision to the establishment of National Commission for Women in the name of Bill National Commission for Women Act 1990. That is the first initiation to establish the National Commission for Women. But actually finally it is initiated in 1992. From 1992, National Commission for Women is established, and also the first chairman of this commission is Jayanti Patnaik. So you can see the Jayanti Patnaik photo in this video. The main motto of this National Commission for Women is protection of girl child and also protection of women, and also self-sustainable employment for the women. This is the main motto of this National Human Rights Commission. The present chairman of this National Human Rights Commission is Rekha Sharma. Again I am saying that the National Commission for Women is, the chairman is Rekha Sharma. You can see the photo of her in this video. Now we'll go a brief summary about this 5th unit. That is, first one is Election Commission of India. Election Commission of India is a constitutional body and also established for conducting the elections according to Article 324, and also coming to that, the main elections are president elections and vice president elections, parliament elections, and also state legislative elections. And coming to that, the state election commission is also one of the part of the National Election Commission. This is about the 5th unit. Thank you for watching.